welcome to my channel. So look, today I received two packages of jade jewelry. One is a dragon pendant, another one is a ring. So I gonna do an unpacking video for you. First, let's open this one. Let's have a look. Wow. The packaging is raw seal, right? And this is the certification, and I bought this one. Wow, I can't wait to see it. Wonderful, right? Look. It seems as the picture I saw on the website. It has great quality. Let me try it. Wow. It's delicate and warm, clean and soft. It's amazing. Do you like it? So now let's check another one. This one is red jade, and I bought it for my dad. Wow. It also has a certification. Look. The two most important factors in judging jade is color and texture. Let me check it. Wow, it's rich in color and crystal clear. I think my dad will love it. So the price of jade rose sharply, so it is very valuable for collection. From the time I placed an order to the time I received them, they have almost increased by $500. And I bought it from Yuan and jade. It's really worth the money. In addition, the merchants support buyback. In the future, they can buy back customers' jade at a price of 20% higher than the original price. It's really a wonderful shopping experience. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. See you.
Bye bye.